loves, how you all doing? It's so nice to have you here once more. So just in case you're coming across my channel for the first time, hi, you're welcome. My name is Amarachi and it's so nice to have you here. All right, so this channel focuses on beauty, lifestyle and fashion, but basically fashion. So in today's video, I would want to show you my lovely short wig. Okay, so if you are a lady and you haven't got the short wig, so if you are a lady, a woman, be you young woman, old, and you haven't got any short wig in your wig collection, you really need to have a rethink, because those are a must-have. All right, yeah. Before now, I used to be one of those long wigs gang. Before I came across this, yeah, these are the latest addition to my wig collection. Basically, I've got a sales rep for my wig collection, but then I will be adding a couple of our wigs to senzanders.com. Please do check it out. We've got some already on the website. Okay, so in today's video, I've got these two wigs, the coily one and the straight one. And of course, obviously, I will be having one of them for myself. This or this, this or this. All right, okay. I think this is the 10 inches deep course, and this is 10 inches. I'll have to confirm that, please, and I will write it right here, up here on the screen. Okay, for this, yeah, it should be the 10 inches as well, straight Brazilian women hair, straight. Okay, wig. And this is the 5x5 closure, and this is the 13x4 closure. So, and they are glueless, so no dramas at all. They are the quickie kind of wigs. So you actually need to see what I'm telling you. These wigs are so nice. Oh yeah, it's so beautiful. It's glueless, so you might not be bothering yourself with the glue and all those drama. We don't need no drama this time. Yeah, some days we do, but not every day. Okay, so these wigs are just the regular kind of wigs, the basics that every woman must have. All right, so by the way, if you want to know how I switch from this lovely wig I'm having here, the long one, this is the body wave, 30 inches. Yeah, body wave, it's still beautiful. Yeah, but then we still need those short ones for the regulars, for the run around, for the busy days, for school. By the way, if you want to know how I switched from this beautiful 30 inches body wave wig to this, then you're gonna keep watching. All right, so I've made my decision to go for the straight, and yeah, no regrets, no two ways about it. So excuse me, come on. So we'll be doing the installation, a quick one, because like I said, this wig does not really need much. No much, you don't need much to do. Okay, so I'm gonna trim out the lace. You can see the part, the closure is so nice. You might not even do nothing to it, just to trim out this, and you'll be good to go. So this is a must have. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love it so much. So this should be my regular wig now. So with this wig, party ready, your business ready, your shopping ready. Yeah, anywhere, whatsoever you can think of. You can even wear this in the house, and it's so comfy. No drama at all. So I'm gonna trim this out. I'll be trimming this out right now, and here we go, because we agreed to be taking care of ourselves as well as others, isn't it? So I'm helping myself with one. Well deserved. Hope I won't cut this. I think I need a closer mirror to see myself. Excuse me, let me do it. So I've gone for this. I think this should be better. Like I said, this is actually the 8 inches. I've confirmed the length is the 8 inches. Why this is the 10 inches, 13 by 4, and yeah, this is 5 by 5, and this 13 by 4. Can you see the curves? Look at that. It's so lush. Details. Can you see it? Oh. And yeah. Okay, let's go. No time to waste here. So you must have noticed I didn't do the drama of the gluing and stuffs like that. Like I said, it's actually not very necessary for this wig, because it's just the kind of wig, the on-the-go kind of wig. You see why it's a must-have? I just want to be careful. I don't want to make a mess here. So, but then if you still want this wig in the longer, if you still want the longer length of this wig, yeah, you can have it long. If you so desire, we still have the longer ones actually. So anyone you want, we have it. You can use the foundation, your color of foundation at the edges, but then it's actually not very necessary. This wig is just straight from the box. I've not done nothing to it. So let's go with the drama. Yeah, let's go with all the, not necessarily all of it, but the basics. Oh, I'll be needing a straightener, maybe. Wow, so comfy. It looks so natural, isn't it? It looks so natural. Look at that. If you see a good wig, you don't even need no one to tell you. And I will be rocking this wig on a daily basis now. Love it so much. 180 density. If you want it fuller, yeah, you can have the 250 density. So comfy. It feels like your natural hair, and it's beautiful. This is the 180 density. You can have it fuller if you want. There is the 250 density. Okay, so oh yeah, maybe I will do another video showcasing the fuller one if you wish. Even the coily hair, the coily wig is beautiful as well. Okay, let's go with the straightening and stuff. But then I don't even think all of those are necessary. Can't you see? You just brush out. Better still, probably with a smaller comb. And there you go. All right, guys. So I will be using this hot comb on this my wig, my lovely wig. careful so you don't get burnt. It's actually straight, so nothing much to straighten. A typical example of the bone straight. You can see, in as much as I'm using this boy straight, such a beautiful wig. Yeah, I use this olive oil extra virgin serum. Okay, that's what I use. That's just it, nothing else. I don't think this is necessary, but then in case you want to form a bob, you can do so with this wig. Yeah, you can bleach it, you can color it to any color of your choice. Yeah, it could be coiled and straightened back as well, and you can style your with beads, center patterns, sideways, either of the sides, anyhow you want it, so be it. Then you rock your wig, and that's it. It's such a beautiful one, as you can see. It's so sleek and simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back. Hope you saw it. I wasn't seeing it anyway. So I do hope you enjoyed this video of short hair against long hair. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of us. Yeah. Okay, feel free to place your order. Okay, I'm ready to receive your orders. You can see. Then it's back on. Just that. Just that. Just that. I'm out of here.